Good morning students. In this video we are going to study first property of the triangle, that is exterior angle property. Students, before going to learn this property, you must know what is exterior angle. Now students, you observe here I have drawn triangle A, B, C. In this triangle, angle A, angle B, angle C are the interior angles. Now, if we produce one side of the triangle, suppose I produce this side BC. If we produce this side BC, then one more angle is formed. Now, this angle is formed and it lies in exterior part of the triangle. Therefore, this angle is called an exterior angle of the triangle. Suppose this point is D. Therefore, we can say that this angle ACD is an exterior angle of the triangle. If you observe here, this angle ACB, this angle is adjacent to angle ACD, or we can say that these two angles are adjacent angles and these two angles are linear pair angles. But these two angles, angle A and angle B, are called interior opposite angles of the exterior angle. I repeat, these angles, that is angle A and angle B, are called interior opposite angles of the exterior angle. Now students, if you measure these angles, angle A, angle B and this exterior angle, then suppose if you measure this exterior angle, therefore, the measure of this exterior angle from here we use inner scale. The measure of this angle is 110 degree. Therefore, angle ACD is equal to 110 degree. If we measure this B angle, that is interior opposite angle, now here we use inner scale 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Therefore, measure of this angle B is equal to 50 degree. And if you measure this angle A, now here from the inner scale 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Therefore, measure of this angle A is equal to 60 degree. Now students, here we measure this exterior angle, that is 110 degree. This first interior opposite angle, that is 50 degree. The second interior opposite angle, that is angle A, is equal to 60 degree. If you observe here, students, this exterior angle, the measure of this exterior angle is equal to addition of these two angles. If we add this angle B and angle A, angle A plus angle B is equal to, angle A is equal to 60 degree and angle B is equal to 50 degree, which is equal to 110 degree. And this addition is equal to the measure of exterior angle, which is equal to angle ACD, angle A plus angle B. Therefore, we can say that the addition of these interior opposite angles is equal to exterior angles, or measure of exterior angle is equal to sum of the measure of interior opposite angles. Therefore, the property is an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. I repeat, an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. If you draw any type of triangle and if you draw its exterior angle, suppose these triangles. Now this is exterior angle of this triangle. Then the measure of this angle is equal to addition of these two interior opposite angles. If you draw triangle like this, now in this triangle, this one is exterior angle and measure of this exterior angle is equal to sum of these two interior opposite angles. Students, this is exterior angle property of triangle. Now, I hope it is understood to you. Thank you and have a nice day.